Today we're talking all things community organizing and what is the best software to host a campaign on to date. Hi, I'm Erica, NationBuilder's community manager, and of course I think our software is the best digital advocacy tool on the market, but don't just take my word for it. Hear from one of our customers across the globe on why they choose to build the future with NationBuilder.
Being able to track those interactions that we have with people really helps us create the community that we want to create. And we have seen that it's truly helpful for people. And that's who we are and what we do is we help people. And so NationBuilder has been a big part of helping us really fulfill our mission.
Our main goal with NationBuilder is to be able to effectively communicate with the people in our community. Like, we can reach people more efficiently. We can stay in contact with people.
Having the two tools, Action Button and NationBuilder, working together and combined makes it so easy for us, because everybody who took part in the campaign is automatically tagged as having taken part in that campaign, and we can go back to that audience again with similar campaigns or updates, and hopefully means that those people feel like they have taken part in a campaign that has had an effect, and we're interested in what they want to do next as well.
It allows for us to connect with our community so much further than finances and marketing messaging. It allows for us to activate in a really fun, positive, inspiring way, which is just so true to our roots and our core.